Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what content to post to sell high-ticket programs online through your personal brand. Because a lot of these people, a lot of these broad guys you've seen, they don't sell high-ticket programs. They sell like a whole low-ticket community, and some of you guys think you should get into it, but they have an advantage because they have a massive audience. But if you have like 5K subscribers, I have 5K subscribers, and I've made over multiple six figures selling high-ticket programs. You get what I'm saying? Not in this channel, but I personally posted trading content. So this is exactly how you do it. You obviously need traffic, okay? But not just any traffic. You have to get a specific audience's traffic, okay? You solved a problem. I became profitable trading. Maybe you built a six-pack. You had a transformation where you went from fat to fit, okay? So you post that. Why am I stuttering today, bro? You post to a specific audience strategically. Bro, I maybe need to redo this video. Fuck it. Post strategically to that specific audience, or YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You can go on Twitter as well, and you post it in a way that you have top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom funnel, and you always want to post on that specific niche, okay? How to build a six-pack, how to build a great body, how to trade for me, right? So YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom funnel. Top of funnel is something that just collects those eyeballs, okay? You literally build curiosity. People don't know exactly who you are. So that's kind of like cold audience, okay? They don't trust you. They don't want to buy from you yet, but now it's time to convert them strategically. Then there's the middle funnel, okay? Middle funnel is teaching them how, okay? My trading strategy is boring, but it makes me 24K per month. You have to have that authority, okay? I'm a trader, right? I know how to trade. People want to trade as well. They want to learn. So this is how to do it. And then there's the bottom funnel. This is literally proof of concept. With this, it's easy to convert. Okay, this usually is testimonials, proof, and for me, trading, how I made X amount of money trading in 6 minutes. And like I said, top of funnel is that cold audience. You flew to Koh Samui, made 30K per month, and people are curious. How does he have the money to go in these villas, travel, this and that, and how did he make 30K per month? Right? And bottom funnel is easy to sell because you have to prove, but you should always have a link to that lead magnet. A lead magnet, let me show you. A lead magnet is something that you give out for free. It can be an ebook, a mini course, and that is obviously strategically made. There's the tactics where you have the testimonials in it as well, and people want to convert, and also you collect their email. And this is what the psychology of reciprocity comes in play, because people usually give them something for free. They want to give something in return. It may not feel like it yet, but they want to give something in return. It's just psychology. It's our primal brain, right? That's how we evolved, I think. Okay. But listen, once you got their audience, once you got the freaking leads in your email, what you want to do is warm up the leads, send them testimonials through emails. Like, you're not gonna you're not gonna manually send them everyone. Like, if you have 1,000 people in your email, it's hard to send them manually, right? So you're gonna have an automation sequence on Kit.com. I can literally just show you. So as you can see, once they join, they get automatically sent to this sequence. Okay, this is literally just straight up showing proof, showing testimonials, and this is so powerful because now they're willing to invest. And in the end, there's obviously, as you can see, proof of concept, students making money, this and that. And look at this. Elite Traders Lab is the mentorship, right? And they go here and apply. Let's say if I go here, hold on, if I go here, right? This is the application. Boom, Adriel's private trading mentorship, apply, blah 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 blah. And this has the KPIs, qualification, do they have the money, are they eligible, where they're from, etc, etc. And after that, like I said, they send here, and then to a congratulations page where they can literally book a call, and the closer, or you, the sales closer, or you can join the call and sell them. Okay, you literally make sure that they understand that they have problems, and this mentorship is for them, and this is the solution for their problems. Okay, and then they pay you 5K. Usually it's 5K for high ticket apprenticeship. So for me, it's like 2.5K plus 2.5K in sets. Okay, you can also go up to 7.5K, 10K, depending on what program you have, and is it finance related. Usually finance related, you can sell it for more, because obviously it's an investment. Okay, they get results later, they get the money back because they have the skill that they get from the mentorship, right? And you also want to have a link on every video to a sales page, to the landing page where there's the VSL and I'll personally mentor you to blah, 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 blah. Watch the video, start the application. In the video, obviously it's made to talk about their problems, how I can help them, also testimonials, this and that, okay? This is also made that they have to understand that they have a problem, okay? That's the thing. They have a problem that needs to get solved. I solved the problem for me. I solved the problems for others, testimonials. So, hey, this is for you. They have that urgency, because I also said that there's limited spots, and right now it's closed because I have to coach the students, right? And like I said, again, from here, they're gonna see me sent to the application KPIs and the congratulations page again, apply for the call, and the list goes on, okay? It's the method, okay? And a lot of people, like I said, they don't know what content to post. Well, this is how you do it, right? Top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom funnel, posting to that specific audience. Don't try to be this broad guy who just posts to everyone. You have to have that authority that you're a master of one thing, okay? And when you're a master of one thing and people have that issue, you solve the problem, people want to get that problem solved as well. And when you solve the one specific problem, people are willing to actually invest in that because you're an authority. You master one thing. You're not a master of 1,000 things. You master one thing, and that's why they can pay you a lot of money, okay? That's the method, okay, literally. And for these people who post broad content, they most definitely can sell a community, a course for a little bit less, but because they have a massive audience, they can still make 100K per month, fucking million per month if they have that massive audience. For instance, let me show you the real world. This is Andrew Tate's program, okay? 100,000 people in it, okay? Because everybody probably knows Andrew Tate, no hate on that guy, respect, just respect, okay? But he knows his shit. He has a massive audience. He teaches more in a broader way. He has multiple coaches in the program, and they're gonna teach you a lot of stuff, right? But he personally don't talk about one thing. He doesn't only talk about trading. He doesn't only talk about e-commerce. He talks, he has motivation videos. He has this and that, and he wants people to get rich, right? I mean, that's what he talk about, and he literally can sell it for $50 per month, and people are gonna join. There's 100,000 people in it. He's gonna make around 5 million per month, or if there's even more, 200,000 people, he can make 10 million per month. Okay, that's the beauty about if you have a massive audience, right? But if you don't have a massive audience, the greatest audience, then please sell high ticket. And if you have a massive audience and you post to a specific avatar that needs the problem solved, you can still sell high ticket, and it's very, very scalable. You know why? Because you don't have to have that one-on-one calls. Okay, it can be extra. People pay more to get the one-on-one calls, but if you don't want to, you can still have those group calls, and it still can be a 5K program. Okay, and you can easily scale it. You have a massive audience that is specifically targeted to one avatar, specific audience. Hey, that's a fuck ton of money. Imagine if you have 500 people paying you 5K. Let's do the math. That's 2.5 mil. Okay, 500 people times 5,000, 2.5 mil. And especially if you can also turn this into a monthly income. How do you do that? Well, they pay you 5K upfront, and then after that is 1K per month. And obviously, because it's 1K per month, you should keep them engaged in the mentorship. There's always the calls coming up. New 2 calls per week, group calls per week, and they want to stay in. They want to learn more, so they keep paying you that 1K per month after that. Like after paying you 5K initially, like straight up front. Okay, that's the beauty about this. Okay, that's how you make a fuck ton of money. That's how you sell high ticket programs. You have to post to a specific avatar. You mastered one thing. Hey, now it's time to make money. It's time to make money. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below. And also, hey, if you want to learn about more, comment down below what videos you want to see. And yeah, man, etc. If you have questions, okay, like and subscribe as usual. I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.